Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on end-to-end encryption backup on WhatsApp. If you want to secure your chat backups with encryption, follow these steps to enable this feature seamlessly. To get started, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the three-dot menu button situated at the top right corner of the screen. Next, navigate to the Settings option within the menu. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats, and then select Chat Backup from the list of options available. Within the Chat Backup settings, you will find the option labeled End-to-End Encrypted Backup. Tap on this option to access the settings related to the Encrypted Backup feature. To turn on the end-to-end encryption backup, simply tap on the Turn On button. You will then be prompted to enter your password or the 64-digit encryption key to confirm and complete this action. By following these steps, you can effectively enable end-to-end encryption backup on WhatsApp, ensuring that your chat backups are encrypted for enhanced security and privacy. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and guides on optimizing your messaging experience.